Hi, I'm Dave from RoboJob USA. Underutilizing human potential is a topic that has been coming up frequently in the machining industry. Lean manufacturing ideals have been around for over 70 years. Machine shops know that they have a competitive edge when they can identify and eliminate wastes on their shop floor. The million-dollar question, how can we reduce the amount of work needed and/or be more efficient as well as increase value on our shop floor? Basically, we want to improve profitability and boost sales. Here are the 8 consistent wastes that machine shops are battling with. Check it out. Transportation, unnecessarily moving parts, material, and information. Waiting, people, parts, and systems waiting around for work cycles to finish. Overproduction, producing parts faster or in more quantities than the customer demands. Defects, producing parts that are defective and rejected by the customer. Inventory, leftover or unfinished raw materials that pile up and do not add value. Movement, unnecessary movement of workers, material, or equipment during a single step or at a single station. Overprocessing, performing more work than necessary to meet customer standards. Underutilized human potential, when employees can contribute in bigger and better ways but can't because of other tasks they need to perform. People can be doing more cerebral work like programming, scheduling, inspecting, or setting up CNCs for jobs. The not so secret sauce is implementing automation to your CNC machine with a RoboJob. For more information, you can visit our website, robojob-usa.com, and give us a call, 866-952-9020. You can also see our RoboJob feature videos on our YouTube channel. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.